Okay, what is circumcircle and what is incircle? Now, just like a name, incircle, it is about a triangle first. For this incircle, we have to draw a triangle. Yes, yes, Purva, this is the triangle. Okay, and incircle means it is inside the circle, just like a name, inside the circle. Circumcircle means circumcircle means when a triangle is given, circum means outside, outer line. So it is just like this. Yes. So it is just like this. So this is what the circumcircle. This is incircle and it is circumcircle. Okay. Now how to draw them? How to draw them? You can see here incircle is touches to the what? It touches to the sides. It touches to the sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle. And circumcircle it touches to the circumcircle is touches to the where? To the edges. Edges. No, it's vertices. Okay, vertices. Okay. So it touches to the vertices and it touches to the side. While constructing incircle, we have to find out angle bisector. Angle bisector, just like this. Okay, angle bisector. As it touches to the sides, we have to find out angle bisector. Okay, and circumcircle, it touches to the vertices, so we have to find out perpendicular bisectors. Okay, we have to find out perpendicular bisector. So here you can see the points, red color points, intersection points. That points are called here in a incircle, it is called incenter. It is called incenter, and while in a circumcircle, it is called obviously circumcenter. Getting the difference? In a incircle. Incircle means inside the circle. It touches to the sides. To find out the incenter, we have to draw angle bisector. यहाँ पे हमें ये incenter find out करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Angle bisector. Exactly opposite of that is a circumcircle. Circumcircle is outside the triangle. Okay, it touches to the vertices of the triangle. Okay, and to find out the circumcenter, we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. We have to draw perpendicular bisector. Okay, till here it is clear? Till here it is clear, student? Okay. Now, now it is just about the type. Now we all know that triangle is not only one type of. Triangles are of many types. Equilateral. Suppose we are just talking about the angle type. Means acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. Obviously, this incenter will change. Yes or not? In case of incenter, if the type of any triangle, incenter is always inside the triangle. चाहे कोई भी टाइप रहे ट्रायंगल का, लेकिन इन सेंटर वो बाहर नहीं जाता है. इट इज ऑलवेज इनसाइड द ट्रायंगल. बट in case of circumcenter, if the type is changed, the position of circumcenter is changed. If the type of triangle is changed, the position of circumcenter is changed. अभी कैसे change होता है? For this I am going to show you now a video. Okay, so it will be clear. I hope till here it is clear. Okay. Okay, fine. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute, student.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
You are there, na?
Yes, yes. Don't worry.
Well, voice is not coming. That's why I'm asking you. Hi, beta.
Wait a minute. Just I have to change the. For this, I have to just change the setting. Now you can see. So I hope the things are clear. Student, it is clear? Okay. Okay, now for the same, just like this, I'm going to show you about the in center. Okay, in center. Okay, have you understood about the circumcenter? Students, have you understood about the circumcenter? Okay, I'm just showing you about the in center. What is the in center? Okay, are you able to hear that video? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, now just but by only seeing, by only just seeing, yes, video is not audible, but seeing only, have you understood that? Just the type of triangle is changed, circumcenter position is changed. If it is acute, then it is inside. If it is right angle triangle, then it is on a hypotenuse. Then it is on a hypotenuse, and if it is obtuse, then it is outside the triangle. Okay. Now it is about the in center, and for that in circle. Okay. For that we need to find out the angle bisector. That means all angles are same. Yes. And this is what the distance, perpendicular distance from the center, and here it is the in circle. And if you change the type of triangle, any type of triangle, the in center is inside the triangle only. Okay. Any type of triangle, just like a, just we saw in a circumcircle, if we change the type of triangle, circumcenter position is changed. But in this case, in case of circumcenter, if the triangle type is changed, it is the center and in center and circle in circle are not going to change. Okay, they are always inside the triangle. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. Have you understood this one? If you change the position of all vertices of the triangle, type of triangle is changed, and at the same time in center is always inside the circle. So have you clear about this? Okay, fine. Now, so what we need for a circumcenter? To find out the circumcenter, what we have to construct? We have to do perpendicular, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors. What we have to draw? Perpendicular bisectors. Now just, yes, perpendicular bisector only. So let's take one example. We are going to take now examples. Okay, fine, here. So we will just take the example from a 6.3. So be ready with your construction box and notebook. Now first question from the 6.3 is, Construct triangle ABC such that angle B is 100 degree, BC is 6.4 centimeter, angle C is of 50 degree, and construct its in circle. Now for this, what we have to draw first? BC 6.4, that is given. So just draw the BC. Draw the BC. Just take the length 6.4 and mention it is as a BC. As which angle is given? C angle is given, so keep it on a left side. आप name को change कर सकते हो, BC को CB लिख सकते हो. Okay, so angle C is of 50 degree. So draw that of 50 degree. You will get such type of figure. Okay. Now, as we have to construct in circle means inside the triangle, so it touches to the sides. So we are drawing here. So what we need, as it touches to the sides of a triangle, so we have to construct angle bisector. What we have to construct? Angle bisector. Okay. So if it is given C, take the 50 degree, then B is given of 100 degree. You can do it as you wish. अगर आपको BC लिखना है, so you can draw here a BC, then take the angle B, take the angle C as you wish. Okay. So I hope you can do this because these are the very basic things. Okay. Now, here the steps of construction are given. BC, draw the BC, then by using protractor, you have to draw angle B and C. Now, two angles are given. As we are extending these rays, you will get the point of intersection. Here we already draw BC, so here it is A. Third point is A of triangle ABC. So here we got triangle ABC. What we got? Triangle ABC. Now what we have to draw? In circle. What we have to construct? In circle. अब इन सर्कल के लिए पहले तो कोई भी सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमें सेंटर चाहिए. Yes, when you are drawing any type of circle, we need a center. To find out the center, what we have to do? To find out the in circle, we have to find out in center. What we have to find out? In center. How will you find out the in center? By constructing angle bisector. By constructing angle bisector. Now, how will you construct the angle bisector? ये सब चीजें आपकी हो चुकी है. How will you construct the angle bisector? Suppose this angle is given. This angle is of 50 degree. How will you construct? Take a distance in a protractor. Draw an arc on the both rays, both arms of the angle. From this point, again make the angle. From this point, again make the angle. You will get a point. This is what the angle bisector. This is what the angle bisector. Okay. So I hope you understood this one. Okay. Now, have you understood how to draw it? Okay. For this, again, how much you have completed of that question? How much you have completed? Okay. Have you draw the 6.4? Yes. Then make the angle. Angle C is of 50 degree and angle B is of 100 degree. Complete this one. Okay. Now you got the point of intersection. You got the point of intersection of the two rays. A, point A. ये तो बेसिक चीजें है ना आर्यन, ये तो आनी चाहिए. Construction of triangle is already done. We are looking here for an in center. Okay. Now how to draw in center? For this I am going to show you again a video. Okay. एक वीडियो और आपको दिखाएंगे. Wait a minute for that. By just looking at this, you will get the concept all clear about the in center and in circumcenter. Okay, wait. Here. The in center of the inscribed circle of that triangle. Okay. Here it is a type of a triangle. How to find out the in center? Okay. Here this is the angle. How to draw the angle bisector? They are showing that this is the method. This is the angle bisector. Okay. Second one is in a green color. This is what the method to draw the angle bisector. Now the third is in a red. Okay, just put the protractor and here you got the angle bisectors. One point we got the intersection of the red, blue and green. That is what the in center. That is what the in center. If you just check the distance from in center to the sides, that is same. Now you can see in this video how to draw a radius. अब हमें center मिल गया है. Now what we have to draw here a radius. Okay, this is same for all sides. Okay, you just draw a perpendicular. अगर आपने straight line भी निकाल दिया तो भी आपको radius मिल जाएगा. It's no need to just do it like this same video. Okay, this is what the perpendicular. If you draw a straight line, you will get the perpendicular. That is means the radius. Okay, इन्होंने वो perpendicular भी draw करके दिखाया इसमें. This is what the perpendicular. Okay, and this perpendicular, because of this perpendicular, we got here the radius of that in circle. Already we got the center. Now we are finding out the radius. So this is what the radius till the side. Okay, perpendicular. It is perpendicular. And by using this, that which is in a darken broad color, that is what the radius. And by using that radius, we can draw here a in circle. Okay, we can draw here a in circle. Take this distance in a protractor, sorry, in a compass box, compass, and this is what the in circle. Okay, here you can see this is what the in circle. It touches to the all sides of the circle, and if this in circle is out of the circle, that means somewhere mistake was happened. Okay, so while constructing angle bisector, so if the mistake happened while constructing the angle bisector, so in circle is out of the triangle. So construct the angle bisector properly. Okay, so this is what the in circle. So the concept of in circle is clear, I hope. Okay, getting? Okay, fine. Now complete that construction what I gave you, that first question from the 6.3. Complete it and tell me the radius, how much you got all. Tell me the radius. If the radius is same of all, then your construction is perfect. Just tell me the radius. whatever you use for to draw, construct the in circle from in center, just tell me the radius, measure it and tell me now, all of you. Yes, it is obviously same for all sides. Other students? Same, yes, it is same, but how much it is? Just put the compass on the pointer of a compass on a center and measure it from to the side of a triangle. Obviously, it is same for all three sides, and measure that one and measure the distance from the center to the side of the triangle. Perpendicular distance. Yes, very good. Simran, it is wrong because two students as a. Just tell me fast. We have to complete the second question also. Yes, it's 2 centimeter. It's 2 centimeter. How to find it out? This is what the triangle. Okay, I'm just doing a rough figure. These are the angle bisectors. This triangle, suppose ABC. I know in your ABC triangle is somewhat different. This is what the in circle. Sorry, the in center. This is what the in center. Now, the distance from this. 1 minute. I'm just drawing just like yours. Suppose this is what this is what your triangle. These are the angle bisectors. And this is what the in circle. How will you find out the distance? The distance which is this distance is the, this distance are the radius. This distance are the radius. ये perpendicular जो है, that is what the radius. Yes, getting? अब यहाँ पे ये जो distance है, this is what the radius. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बोला था perpendicular draw करो. Perpendicular, how will you draw? Just like in a video, you can draw it. Otherwise, just put a straight line from the center. Okay? Getting now? How to find out the radius? Okay. Now we will construct the circumcircle. Obviously, to construct the circumcircle, what we need? Circumcenter. What we need? What we need? Circumcenter. Yes, to construct the circumcircle, what we need? Circumcenter. How will you find out the circumcenter? How will you find out the circumcenter? Yes, very good. Perpendicular bisectors of all sides. And intersection point is the circumcenter. Okay? Already I told you the circumcenter, the circumcircle. अब सब बहुत सारे बच्चे इसमें भी कंफ्यूज होंगे कि circumcenter और circumcircle. Circumcircle, this is what the triangle, and this is what the circumcircle. Directly you can draw the circumcircle. No, for this we need a center. How will you find out the center? By constructing a perpendicular bisectors. A perpendicular bisector कैसे construct करते हैं? For this I am going to show you a video. But before that, I am giving you a question that you have to do it now. Okay, second question. Construct triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to 70 degree, angle R is equal to 50 degree, and and side QR is equal to 7.3. Construct the circle. Now what is given? Triangle PQR. In that, angle P is of 70 degree, angle R is of 50 degree, and side QR is given 7.3 centimeter. Now side QR is given and angle R is given. What about angle Q? What about angle Q? अगर आप कोई ऐसा कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हो, if you are drawing here a QR, तो कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के लिए दोनों एंगल लगेंगे ना? How will you find out the Q? How will you find out the angle Q? As we all know that the addition of, yes, it is 60 degree, but how will you find it out? As we know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. The sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In that, angle P is given of 70 degree. Q is not given. So we write down as it is. Angle R is of 50 is equal to 180. To find out the angle Q, we have to subtract this 70 and 50 from 180. What is the addition of 70 and 50 is 120. So we will subtract that from 180. So you will get angle Q is of 60 degree. अब हमें angle Q भी मिल गया है. So just draw a segment of 7.3 now. Fast. Draw a segment of 7.3, and if it is done, just send me thumb or just send me Y. Segment is done. Do it fast. If you are going with the flow, it is easy to understood. Okay. Now the next step, angles, angle Q and angle R. Angle Q is of 60 degree, draw it, and angle R is of 50 degree, draw it. If it is done, then send me Y or thumb. Okay. This is of 7.3 centimeter QR. Q is of 60 degree and R is of 50 degree. I hope till here it is done. Obviously, this point of intersection is the P because these two are QR. P, Q, R. Triangle is done. Okay. Triangle is done. If till here it is done, just tell me. Okay. Other students, do it fast. It's very much simple. Now the triangle is done. Now the next turn is of circumcircle. To draw the circumcircle, we need a center. So for that, what we have to do? To draw circumcenter, to find out the circumcenter and side perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisectors. How to draw the perpendicular bisectors? How to draw the perpendicular bisectors? For this, I am going to show you a video now. Okay. So if it is possible for you, continue with your construction. If you are able to, if you know how to draw the perpendicular bisector, continue with your construction. Okay, and those who are not able to understand how to construct it and how to do it, I'm going to show you video for you all. For that, wait a minute. Okay. So here, I'm going to show you a video. Okay. Here you can see a circumcenter of a triangle is a point where the perpendicular bisector of each side of a triangle intersect. That intersection is called the circumcenter. Here it is a triangle. Okay. For this, we need to find out draw the perpendicular bisectors. So how to draw the perpendicular bisectors? As we are drawing here, so two endpoints of the segment. From that, we have to mark. We got a 2 points, join them. This is what the perpendicular bisector. Same for this, more than half of that segment in a compass and mark from a 2 endpoints of the segment. Perpendicular bisector is done. Again, from the 2 endpoints, just draw arcs, and here it is a 3 perpendicular bisector. Their intersection is called circumcenter. Okay, here we got a point in a black, that is what the circumcenter. Now for this, yes, this is what the circumcenter. Now by using this circumcenter, now as the circumcircle touches to the vertices, so just it passes to the all vertices. This is what the okay. This is for obtuse. Perpendicular bisector, it is outside. Okay, here it is big circle. Passes through the all vertices. You can see here. Okay, fine. I hope you understood what you have to do now. Okay. So it is clear how to draw the perpendicular bisectors. Very good, students. It is done. Okay. Those who not understood how to draw the perpendicular bisectors, maybe that things is also clear. Yes, student. How to draw perpendicular bisector, and by drawing the perpendicular bisector, you got the circumcenter. By using that circumcenter, you can draw a circle that is passes through the vertices of a triangle. Okay. So I hope you all get know how to construct circumcircle and how to construct incircle. If you understood, just send me thumb or say Y. Okay. Is it easy or hard? Okay. If you want to do practice, you can do it by taking other type of triangles, because okay, fine.